Good morning! It's my third day here at Grunewald and wala pang 7. So 7 ang start ng ating breakfast. So, wala pang liwanag in fairness. Wait, paano ba ito? Ayan, ang dilim pa because it's only 6:47 and breakfast starts at 7 o'clock. So, hindi pa nagpapakita yung ating mountain here. At saka hindi rin siya ganun kalamig. Like, parang madaling araw lang sa atin pag February. So, our itinerary for today is pupunta tayo sa Muren, yung carless town. So, medyo mahaba-haba na naman tong train. And, nag-breakfast muna ako para medyo, tayo, may energy. Alright, see you there in a bit. Bakit ganun? Did I ride the wrong train? Bakit kaya ganun? Oh my god, I need to wait 8:40 pa. I should have taken that. Kakainis. Pero bakit ganun? Kasi sabi niya, one station lang. Napababa tuloy ako ng oras. Base it. Okay, nakasakay ng bus. 141 na bus.
And you go into the rope like this and you fall. Yeah, you're not allowed to.
Finally in Muren. I just realized na Muren is on top of a mountain, or I don't know kung tawag dito, a valley. It's on the top of the valley, and Lauterbrunnen is at the bottom. So ayan o, nasa taas na tayo. So this is a carless town. The only vehicles you'll see here are service vehicles, construction vehicles. But the rest of the town is still sleeping, I guess. Oh, look at that. Katalapit na natin sa snow-capped mountains. Wow. So the place is supposed to be quiet, pero there's so many construction going on. Because of the construction, parang ang ingay. Parang, I don't know if you're living here. Okay, there's an electronic one, pero no. Parang ang ingay kapag you can hear trucks. So this is Muren Schulthorn. So there's a lot of restaurants here. And hotels. Kaso sarado pa yung mga, although kaka-breakfast ko pa lang, pero naiihi na ako kasi so well, supposedly quiet tong place nito, pero you know, again, ang daming construction vehicles. I hope soundproof yung mga bintana nila and houses, kasi kung hindi, I could imagine how noisy it could get as early as now. Diba? Verde is a very quaint village. Parang a classic example of an alpine village. Ang ganda. It's very quiet. All the establishments are still closed. Hindi nila pinapasok yung mga upuan nila sa loob. Wala naman daw magnanakaw niyan. So maybe they'll open at 10 o'clock. I don't know. Hopefully not closed for the season. Oh, there's a coat here. You can buy something. There's a ski rental. And there's also a Muran snow, what do you call this? A ski resort. Okay, shop is open. Cope is open. Okay. Naabot naman ng sun ang toktok. Kasi the sun came all the way from that side of the mountain. Ayan. And andyan na si sun. Ayan, hello sun. Parang lumpas na nga ako eh. Ito na yung viewpoint. Okay. However, kailangan magdahan-dahan kung ayaw nang tumulong. Here. Kaso may araw pa kasi. So, maybe later. Maganda. Parang dyan. Maganda. So, kung yan yung hotel mo, so every morning ganyan ka. Siguro, this is a place. Ay, pato. Hotel siguro to. I think off-season na. Kaya maraming hotels na hindi na bukas. I think. Bakit kaya itong mountain na to may stripes? I'm not sure if you can see it. Ayan o, yung may araw. Parang yung mga stripe siya. Ayun yung mga baka. Pero, yan, sige. Maglalakad na ako. Ang ganda doon. Ay, ang ganda ko. Sure. So, I think ang best view here is para makita mo yung other side, yung side niyon. Siguro mga tanghali or hapon. Kasi doon nang galing yung araw eh. Ay. Ayan, ang ganda. Grabe, nasa pinakataas na tayo. Well, hindi naman pinakataas na taas, but still. Sobrang taas na natin. So, there's nothing much to do here in Muran. Napaka-quiet, pero very alpine village talaga. Siguro lang, I don't know, maybe I'm a bit late, parang off-season na nila, parang ang daming closed na establishments starting nung 20th na October. And today's the 21st, tama ba? O 21st na. So, ang daming na nagko-close. So, it's a bit quiet. So, siguro ang gagawin ko lang, mag-walk-walk na lang ako dito. Yun lang. So, kung hawa na tayo, nandala akong water bottle at saka yung collapsible na inuman. Pwede ka mo dyan. Water is direct from the mountains. Lahat ng upuan dito nakaharap sa araw, ha. Drip na talagang pa-araw. So, let's see. I think I'll have a coffee. Back at Grindelwald kasi pagod na ako, so ayoko na mag-explore, mag-hotel na ako. I think I'm gonna buy some food at the grocery sa Coop. Again, that's my hotel, so near